Most roads in India are very underdeveloped and are not well maintained. They have lots of potholes that can cause accidents, very severe accidents, and have also caused deaths. So, for that, heavy load machines are used, and to those machines cause a lot of disturbance as they block the road, and they also create traffic jam. So for that, we have come up with this new solution. It's a 3-in-1 road fixing machine with rollers, a mixer, and it automatically detects a pothole and fills it.
So the ultrasonic sensor here detects a pothole and it sends signals to this tank which contains gravel, pebbles and sand. We'll have asphalt here which will be supplied through these pipes inside this mixing tank and it will be mixed together, and there's a funnel just beneath this tank connected to this tank which is in front of the rollers between the wheels, which will pour the cement, the mixture in that area, and then it'll move to and fro and roll that area and smoothen that area. Okay, so our model is more efficient and like smaller in size than the models that are used in the roads. So it's also cost effective and it runs on solar energy. the solar the solar energy is like taken to the battery and the entire thing is run by that battery. Yeah, that is almost it.
So we know that the traditional way of like road fixing is like three machines, which are run by fossil fuel. So those also emit a lot of carbon dioxide and greenhouse gases that can cause global warming. So the solar energy also helps in that.